Good morning. It's Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty, and this is
Katie Ryan
with Sotheby's. So we are at Palo Corona Regional Park in Carmel Valley. So we want to kind of show you how cool this park is and where the trails are and where you can see a view of the ocean. Although today we're going to pan around and it's overcast because it's summer and we may not be able to see the ocean, but that is where we're going behind us. So let's go check out this park, okay? Palo Corona Regional Park is part of a larger park system that reaches all the way to San Luis Obispo County. Locally, it is over 4,500 acres and 10 miles in length. As you enter into the park, you'll find the parking lot over to your left and then head into the Discovery Center to learn more about the park and see where the trails are. This morning, we decided to walk to Inspiration Point. The trails initially are fairly flat. My suggestion is to dress in layers because it could be cloudy and overcast like today, or the sun could be out and you're going to need some sunscreen. We did find this beautiful meadow of flowers. Even though it's July, they're still blooming due to the wet winter. One cool thing about the park is you get to walk over the Carmel River as it flows to the ocean. And, Katie, anybody else here?
Nope.
8 something in the morning, we're the only ones here going for a nice walk. We live in Pacific Grove and this is about 15-20 minutes away, so very close. All right, let's continue the walk. So as you walk along the trail, you come to this gate right there, and the entrance is right here, which Katie just opened, and this is closed so the cattle can't get out, which we don't want to happen. No moo cattle. So you can see the trails are well groomed, easy. You can go high or low. Watch out for poison oak. So stay on the trail. Leaves of 3, let it be. So, and then you will see this that talks about the cows, why they're here. Grazing helps reduce the dry grass and helps the grassland. So anyways, let's continue with the hike.
That was fun.
That was fun. So that's Palo Corona Park. I'm not sure how many miles there are in the park. We'll put that on here in the subtitles, but it's easy walk. You can make it hard, you can make it easy. Dress in layers, right? Because this morning the sun didn't come out yet, but this afternoon it could be nice and warm and sunny, and put your sunscreen on. Bring water, but hope you enjoyed it, and we'll do more of this. Have a great day. Bye.